Hi, I'm Pauline Dutton, and my first poem will be Charita Comfort. When you find you're engaged to a married man, as you munch, wail, drive through the rain, I will be your passenger. When your daughter marries, moves to another country, and you sleep in her bed, wear her bunny gown, I will dream of her with you. And when you hold her firstborn, afraid to care too much before a soon departure, I will remind you that love never comes without a bag of heartache. My next poem is 50 Years Later. As my corpse drifts beside the riverbed, with one eye open, I notice my maid of honor spread lips to pose for photos 50 years later. Her teeth glow just as they did that day for my wedding. Today she'll outshine me again. Of course, I'm dead. Still, I look good as a cadaver. I've swollen just enough to puff cheeks, fill nasolabial folds, flatten forehead lines, even better than Botox. I wish someone would take my picture, now that I'm dead. Friends screech how young my sister looks, but I'm 15 years older. She confides YouTube guided her to miracle creams, jade to roll away wrinkles. An inopportune lesson for me, since I'm dead. Sis and bridesmaid lead a conga line, swinging bouquets of polyester roses and daisies as they boogie and belt. We're going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Just as I arranged for us to perform for this golden anniversary. Just my luck, I'm dead. Now they're all singing happy birthday to my husband. Mine's coming soon too, but I never celebrate with candles and cake because I don't want to reveal my sacred number. If only I had told them, maybe they would sing to me. Alone in the cold river, I hope they'll bury this body soon. I'd rather be warbling and rocking. At least I'm here. But gee whiz, I'm dead!